Hey, what's up everyone? Nate Semi-Pro here. This is my first ever video review. I needed a bigger curing station for my resin printer, and this GeeeTech seemed to be the biggest and the best out right now. This curing station is definitely a DIY, and it actually wasn't too bad. It took about 20 minutes to put together, and as you can see in the video, it seems to go together pretty well. Let's test it out. You have a timer, set the buttons, press play, close the lid. It's that easy. Once you open up the door, the actual device stops. The timer stops. Now it's open. You can add something in there that you may have forgot to put in there in the first place. I do it all the time. And when you close the lid, it starts back up right where the timer left off. And now it'll cure and it'll beep when it's done. It's easy as that. With the large GeeeTech curing station and a 360-degree turntable that has an automatic timer with lights, it allows the magic to happen. In just a couple minutes, your stuff is cured and ready to go. The results are in. After using this for 40 hours plus, with zero issues, with great product curing, with all of the ease and the excellent functions, I would give the GeeeTech large UV curing station a 10 out of 10.